Hello everyone, my name is Jeremy Johnson with ContinuousTouch, and today I'll be showing you some features and settings on both the T54s to my left and the Yealink T42s on my right. First, we'll start with the Yealink T54 here on my left. As you can see, this phone was specifically programmed for Lydia and all of her network contacts. Everyone within her business group is here on the phone. And if you want to scroll through the contacts, there is this button right here. As you can see at the bottom, 1 and 2. That button right there you can press to scroll through different contacts, as you can see here. Another whole list of contacts. And press it again to go back to the main screen. Now, if you want to dial out to a contact, all you have to do is just search for the contact on your keys over here. Let's see if you want to call the extension next to us, which is Sandra. You will press Sandra's button, and as you can see here on the T54, it is ringing. And it also pops up with her name and extension, Lydia extension 401. So I cancel that. And you can do that for any extension that is on your business group. And if you have any questions or you want to add any more buttons to this phone, you will have to call ContinuousTouch and we will program them in and have you reboot the phone for them to show. Next, I would like to go into the buttons on the dial, next to the dial pad here. These are special property buttons you could do to get to quick functions for the phone. Right here at the top left hand corner, you have the headset button. You can press that button if you have headsets attached to the back of your phone, or any Bluetooth headsets attached with a Bluetooth dongle. Once you press this button, it will go green and your headset is ready and active to use. Once you're done with your headset or you don't want to talk on it anymore, just press the button again and your headset won't work anymore. Pretty simple and straight to the point. Our next button is the mute button. When you're within a call and you make a call out to anybody else and you want to mute them and you're tired of hearing what they're talking about, well, you can press the mute button. Or if you want to gossip behind their back, you know how we do, you can press the mute button and mute yourself or the person that's on the line. The next button here under the headset button is the voicemail button. You can press this button to check your voicemail. For any first time user, once you press this, it will take you to the subscriber networks and prompt you how to set up your voicemail. Just for example,
come to subscriber services. First, I'd like to walk you through some things we need to do to set up your account. You'll have to
then you will walk through those steps to pretty much set up your account and go from there. The next button I want to show you is the on hold button. Now the on hold button, you can press it manually, but while you're in a call, at the bottom, as you can see right here at the bottom of this screen, where you see history, directory, D&D, and menu, you will also see options to be able to manage calls that way as well.